So this shrub is called a Hypericum Hidcote. It's quite a common shrub, and when we bought the house a couple of years ago, this was already here. Not planted in the ideal spot, I don't think. It's against this wall, but this is really vigorous. So you'll even notice at the very back of the plant, it can get a bit untidy, left to its own devices. The flowers are great on it. The problem with pruning this is you don't want to be doing that after spring or after April, because if you do, you won't get the flowers, because they appear on this year's growth. When the flowers have gone on this, what I'll do, I'll have to cut this right back into shape. Cut it back right into shape, and then cut it back again the next spring for another shower of flowers. Because if I left this to its own devices, this would take over these neighbouring plants. It'll be all over this lawn here. Yeah, generally you could just get out of control. In flower, it's great though. It really stands out in the garden.